it? Yeah. So what happened? The last time you were here, your acne is controlled. You're still doing your regimen. Okay, so you're washing your face in the morning, you moisturize, and then you apply the Clindamycin Benzoyl Peroxide. That's good, great. What about the Doxycycline? You're still taking it every day, great. 50, right? 50 milligrams, yes. Very low dose. Literally, I've never seen anybody had side effect from it. So at 50 milligrams, literally just controlling inflammation. So what happened? Oh wait. If I had to guess, lack of sleep, stress, work or school. Oh, I think this might be it. Sugar. What do you think? Oh yeah, Shake Shack has the best shakes. Yeah, I love Shake Shack. Every time I go there, I see their milkshake. I'm like, oh, should I have one? Nah, I better not. So yeah, so even though your acne is controlled, when you have high amount of sugar intake, even for just one day, that can spike up your insulin, and that insulin triggers your liver to release more insulin growth factor 1 or IGF-1. Now that IGF-1 stimulates your oil gland to become more active and release more oil and create an inflammatory reaction, and then the cyst is created. Yeah. So it's nothing. Your regimen's perfect, but you just have to watch your diet. Yeah, you just have to watch what you're eating. Of course, you could have milkshake, but what I do though, instead of drinking the whole thing, maybe I'll just take tiny sips and then done, give it to a friend, whatever. So what can we do today, Fred? Well, for quick relief is Kenalog injection or steroid injection. Oh no, this involves needle, unfortunately. Are you gonna be okay? It's just a tiny pinch. Takes maybe like 5 seconds for me to inject the solution. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so keep in mind I'm not an artist, so I'm terrible at drawing. So this is your cyst right here. Okay, it's inflamed, it's swollen and tender to the touch. So what we're doing is we're injecting, this is the needle, we're injecting directly in the center of the cyst, and that's Kenalog injection is a really good anti-inflammatory. So we inject right in the middle. We're rapidly shrinking the cyst, or even completely get rid of it. On an average, you feel improvement or complete resolution about 2 days. Yes, so it's very simple. Now, this right here, this is the Kenalog right here. Now, for some reason that you leave town or find another provider, hope not, you always want to ask what strength are they using, because Kenalog is for acne. Most of the time I use 5 milligrams per cc, but Kenalog injection can go up to 40 milligrams per cc. Now this is a big no-no on face. I only use it for keloid scarring. Max maybe on the face, maybe 10 but even with 10 milligrams per cc can create atrophy on the skin. It can come back after about 3 months, but most of the time I use 5 milligrams per cc. So just future reference, or just a tip for you. Okay. All right. Any question for me? No. So you're good to go with it. Okay, great. So let me just get my gloves here. Are you allergic to any medications? No? Okay. This is not hydraulic gloves. This is not latex gloves. I don't think we have any latex in office. Okay. So let me just clean the site or the cyst with alcohol. Alright, very good. And then let me just draw the Kenalog up. So just gotta roll it, mix it. Okay. Roll it, mix it. A syringe here. Okay. Alright, okay. Just needle here. Okay. Alright. Okay, are you ready? Why don't you rest your head on a table here? Just rest your head on the table. Less movement you have, the better. Just want you to be comfortable. Alright. So I'm just gonna dry off the alcohol here. Are you ready? So just gonna feel pinch and then pressure, okay? Pinch and then pressure, okay? Pinch, pinch, and then pressure. Now the pressure that you're feeling is me injecting the solution into the cyst. And the more solution I inject, the more pressure you have. And I have to inject slowly, because I want to make sure the solution stays within the cyst. If it doesn't stay within the cyst, now I am basically putting steroid solution on normal skin. Now that's the thing that I don't want, and that's the thing you don't want, because if it reaches normal skin, then it can atrophy normal skin. Okay, almost done. Done. Okay. Very good. That wasn't too bad, was it? Yeah. Easy peasy. So yeah, in about 2 days, you should feel and see some improvement. Okay. Follow up. Let's come back here in about a week. My expectation is quick result. That's why I want to see you back in a week. But as far as any limitation, there's no limitation. Continue on your daily routine. Wash face twice a day. In the morning, wash face, you moisturize, and then apply your Clindamycin gel, Benzoyl Peroxide. And then at lunch, take your Doxycycline 50. Eat a snack, as long as it's not cheese or dairy products, and then plenty of water with it. Great. Okay. All right. Any question for me? Okay. So before you leave, you know what to do. Just follow up in the front desk. Make an appointment 1 week from today. You know me. Just call me out. Yes. Okay. All right. Well, if there's anything else I can do, just let me know. Give us a call. Leave a message. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for coming back, and thank you for trusting me to take care of you. You're the best. Cool. Excellent.